Look at this.
That journey, you know, in the woods, in the jungle. You know, I don't know if him come.
Right. Dripping. Yeah. Look on the hills, watch it. Oh, that bamboo.
Where?
See up on the hills, there's someone in yellow. Looking thing there. Bamboo. Yeah, bamboo.
Bamboo?
Yeah, the one that make grow leaf. Yeah, so where we are head going now?
Some road called Falling Edge.
Falling Edge?
Falling Edge River. Or something. Falling Edge Falls. Something like some falls business.
Falling Edge Falls and River.
Yeah, one
Make a shiver. So they up on the next mission, the next journey. They up on an adventure. Me and Rosie boss lady and Courtney boss around there. Easy. You know? So we are head go Falling Edge Waterfall. Yeah, all the way up in where is this now? We're in St. Andrew though. We're in St. Andrew, so that is it. That are the motive. That's where I say. And we are go there, go see what I go on, find out where they are deal with, and show you where they are deal with. So follow up on the journey and catch the experience. Is it?
Park of the school. So the school is wow, feel the breeze. No, but
oh, so on the bridge.
Oh, yes.
Go through the bridge. That's somebody else. General, how should I find Falling Edge?
Come on, let's continue on the road, man.
That road here?
Yeah, man.
How far I go? Yeah. Alright, my general, respect.
Going over the bridge.
Yeah, where the, oh, see it here?
Golden Hill Road.
Golden Hill Road.
Look at mechanic business. Follow the road.
A school.
Taxi run up here and bus in a vehicle.
Most like the primary school or basic school.
Yeah, most of what I do. But this is serious. Look there. Watch out. Look down there, so. Whoa. Yeah. Look at that.
Country, but feel the breeze, you can feel the change of the atmosphere. Oh God. Look there.
Complete different.
Wow. What's that? I could stop here so.
You can't stop. Whoa,
What we mean no vehicle now pass? You see I run a regular road, a vehicle pass.
Whoa. Look at the place. Yo, look at this. Whoa. We outside, we outside. What you say? Outside?
Outside.
Jaja God. Yeah, we don't want to block up the road still, you know. Because even door, you know, something there, sound like a vehicle coming up. It's a bike. A bike. Yeah, man, go for my general, man. Respect.
So that's again for the camera? So
All
that's
I
again?
can say is most likely a one time I come here, so.
Why?
Yeah? The journey. And I have to get to a big 4x4. Because my vehicle now manage this rotted.
Oh, far away I go, you know? Because we think we reach. 5 minutes ago we think we reach. But no, this is
now so I come like I want to turn back.
You want to turn back? Come we could turn back. No, we can't turn back after we reach so far. We almost reach. We feel like we almost reach. 5 minutes left. According to the map. It's a 3 minutes. So
that's why enough people now come here, so how much people are come do this regularly?
not people who live in our community.
Yeah, but
Nobody now come up here, so.
Them are going to use to it, but now come and support this every minute. Sure.
Once in a while.
Waterfalls.
Yeah. Come like everywhere. Why you go so far over for baby? Oh, you change the gear. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty, that's why I say I want to come.
So, I don't know who can reach a primary school. Every day.
Him, what about everybody will live here?
Oh, all of that too. Every day,
No.
right? True.
So which way we go now?
Yeah,
Welcome to Chair Garden.
So which way we going? Up this, so? Muscle?
Right.
Because I'm not going up that road there.
Yeah, that way there.
So-
I will soon reach, look.
Yeah, right. Then once
We're almost there, people. Well, I let him drive in here.
This is crazy.
And uphill, downhill. We go over the bridge.
All about some
We go up the hill.
road there.
I saw some. It have to be.
Greetings.
Let us see if it was all worth it.
That man say,
Far.
and then say you have to do a little walk. So where's school?
Where's
there?
the school? Sit at the school at?
At the school is?
Straight?
Oh, you have it by
yeah.
your thing there too? Oh, alright. One guide no boss.
I have it by mine too.
Oh, alright. One guide me.
Okay.
Two way better than one. Camp? Oh, yeah. Oh!
Let me say we reach.
Wow, look on the hills. Wow. We finish end of the road here.
Then we reach the school.
So which way you
So
park? Jeez and peace.
See me have it too good.
Which way you park?
Alright, so we need to park on the pass.
I don't know.
On the school still don't know.
School around the corner.
School
We
at the
can't
end.
go around the corner there.
Look so. I've got to try it.
So, listen people. In my opinion, if you're not an experienced driver, you can't take them road here. Look on the road.
See there now,
No,
watch it.
look. You see?
Boy.
There's space over here, so. house early then?
See?
Yeah.
Take the house, put it.
Take a slant. No.
What's ya?
See how them tribulation here, trials and tribulation, we just go over obstacle course a while ago, you know. Reverse and beating and go over still and down straight, all type of way.
Starting the road smooth, you know.
Yeah, me I tell you.
And we reach any part. It's like
Turn to
whole
nothing.
different place.
Judge God, one way this now. So where school there, father?
We are going right place.
It's a end of
Say
the
we are
road.
going right place. Finally reached the school. Finally.
2B,
sir.
3B. Maybe I have something to this. So we walk through the school.
Good.
I would walk through the school for
It
reaching.
looks so.
Check the Google Maps.
I have some gate right there, so no swimming. I must see yourself. I must see yourself.
Oh, this
Yeah,
one.
so we could do it.
Go through here someone.
Oh, got it. And you say the river them in general? Hey, me never hear. Yeah, man.
Finally.
Finally reach the school. Shaja.
Here, so.
Finally reach.
Oh.
You know, say me never hear when they say.
There's some type of accident.
Yeah. Really, man, stop and I take you in the view, you know?
You see the view later. You want to go up on the bridge up the dam there.
Eh? Jaja God.
You see what white car pass?
So, I have to walk go up there?
You see what white car pass in a while ago?
Yeah.
And then we can go by the farm a while ago.
Eh?
By the dam.
I probably forgot to check it out if time there. Alright, maybe next time, I don't know, depending from walk on. Man.
We come 40 more seconds.
Eh? How we are say? I say you come 40 more seconds and see Valiant a shoot video. So we just miss him, you see? Chacha, that's where it go. So Tara's right there? Achoo! I him for true, man. You see him for real. We and him stop right beside each other, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Jaja God. Yeah. Yeah. So the water deep enough you can dive off? Yeah. Cody can dive? You can dive, Cody? Yeah.
No, do not follow away. We know river from your hometown.
No. Well, you have to understand what I say. Oh. See, boss, I'm ready to take on the falls and the dives, you know. Jaja God. So you hear that? The boss I say him ready to take on the falls. The boss I make him know say, I don't know normal thing, him not for try it. So
Right, I'm not saying I risk your life to go by that damn go dive and that deep road less up.
Jaja God. How you say? Place nice, man. Woo. Oh, no tired on the bus? Oh, no good. Yeah, I can see. Hey, I thought I need to tour yourself a little bit. Yeah. We now wait to look forward. Yeah, we now wait, me forward. Out for the terrain, guys. Oh, this is a real adventure, this. Yeah, man, this is what we're talking about, you know. Yeah, we outside. And the boss I lead me through to find the dam right now. See, mash. Bomba, that's around here so pretty, man. Jaja God. Give thanks, bro. Whoa. Yeah, well on, them just take in piece of this there. I saw on you pretty, man. Yo. Boss, check out what I go around here say now. See what I go and show me a better view. But see there? Jaja. Terrain, you know, real adventures, you know. This is what I say, they're on the journey. Yeah. 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 This is it. Jaja. Greetings everyone. Blessings. Yeah, man. This is it, you know. Real, bro. Yeah, man. Never know that this exists, you know. Never know that this exists. Church of God. You better do ya. See what I go on? You see it? And not normal. Hold on there. You good? Yeah, man, I know the hills, man. Yeah. How we are say? Now, so we don't have no statistic. Yeah, man, this is a journey, you know? In the woods, in the jungle. Yeah, it's worth it, man. So far. So which part of the video shoot? Run at the fall. You not keep up? You want me to carry your bag for you? Some of them bush are scratch. Oh, mosquito. Oh. Aye. Fit to cut through them bush, through them terrain, and nothing normal and joke. So what I say, the boss make it look easy. You know, I don't know a film ground. Say master it like a pro. So, well up them general, them boss like me. You see how I said? But that show me that man make can manage see me, you know? Yeah, you have to water in the car. Oh, the boss say, they might go build a shop up on the front and bar. So that in the future, sometime, you know? Yeah, but for now, probably have to bring your own drinks and food and so forth when you're forward. Yeah. But remember the journey. Make sure say you're ready to take it on. Not to say it easy. It's worth it, you know. Believe me, you know. So the forward same way. You see it, but I make you know the journey not so easy. If you can't manage the road, get somebody experience you can drive. You understand? Alright, that's that. See? Alright, so good news, you know, the boss just tell me say soon we are gonna probably when you reach at the gate, a bike, 4-wheel bike gonna pick you up and carry you the river, so you soon have to walk the hike. You understand? Because they might cut out a part where you can travel. Yeah. So bike can pick you up soon, man. So you know, check in, you know, plug in, you know. Nice place, you know, come check it out, give them a support. You see it? Yeah. I'm good, man, especially Rosie. You're going good. I'm all about you.
No, that's okay.
Alright, watch your step, watch your steps. Watch your step. Oh. No, yeah, maybe. Maybe we can have to follow the path. We could have last thing, we could go the next thing. Eh? Eh? Yeah, I see arrow. I show yourself go forward. Yeah. But it's no joke. Watch that. Oh, the bamboo. Yeah, my rose getting some money there. And a crack. Eh? Jackfruit tree this. Oh no man, that is it man, yeah? And that's my favorite fruit, you know. See it's a jackfruit. See one up in the tree there. It's a small one yeah. And it's small, and I can't eat it, you know. Eh? Oh yes, another tree there. Some more. Them on the right man, them two there. See there? One up there so. And that one up on the rim so. You see it? Look yellow. You see it? You know right? Oh, some at the end. Okay. Alright. Oh, you got smell it. Yeah. Alright. Just I learned that. Things say I buy the color when the color change. Yeah. See how me so. You man not check. Watch the step, you know. Oh yes sir. Watch your step too. Nah, that's straight down. Watch you know. Go watch a party, you know. Eh? So hold on there. Out now go get Chuck. Come on here. So Chuck go read. Oh, they might dump it up, come round. Oh. So you hear that? Okay, now cut cross. Yes, you see that? Road of a bill comes straight cross. Yes, so. Boss, I tell you I'm not joke, man. Soon. But when I reach. Oh. Yeah, I can see the rat them. Eh? Oh, upon the terrain, man. This is man. Eh? Watcha. You know what? Slide off of this, you know, people. You know what? Slide off of this, yeah. Rosie boss said, look where you go for me, please. Please just focus on the road, my love. So, if you want to sit down, let's keep you on the camera. Yeah. Come, baby, so you have to stay. Watch yourself too. Wow, this is crazy. Crazy good though. You can see. This is what we look forward to, you know? Yeah man, adventure, you know? Yeah man. Green, lush, pretty place, magnificent. I can hear nice, you know man. The people around there, youth them reach already. Yeah, it's a beautiful and magnificent place, man. But the place nice and pretty. Alright. Place nice, man. Lush greenery right round. Wow, this is paradise, you know? Yeah, man, straight paradise this. Yes, and the youth them there, I go enjoy the fall same way. Yeah. Youth and youth. Alright, bless up on yourself, you know? Yeah. Oh. Yeah! Cha, the part right there. Let me see what I go on here, so. Oh. Woo! Courtney? See the falls, boss? Yeah. Cha God. Yeah. Jaja God. Boss under beer pressure with the school work, you know. Rosie. Yeah. This is it. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out and forward there. My boss, I go up, gonna jump back. Yeah. It's alright. Listen, let's say I jump from. Ready, man? God. Hold on there, I say it deep. I say it deep. Yeah, I'll test it out. Eh? The water is cool. Oh. Water cool, man. Yeah? You say nice? Oh, dance turn. Cool, man. You don't just a deep though. Sure, I got somebody ever jump on the top of it. Jump on walk already. Yeah. Higher. Oh. Yeah, you can jump off. Oh. So when you reach the cast, I know. Oh, huh? Oh, God. So, there's your water ice. Why? Water cold like ice. Yeah, cold bad. See that? Wow. Cool, no? You don't know if I go watch it like it. I'm going to take a swim. Right now, come and shiver. Yeah, and we have a deep path right now, the middle of the path. So we can swim to go across to reach to the path. Woo! Yeah! What is it in a piece of coal again? Eh? Regular float you can do. Can't float, man. You see what I go on now? I'm make a competition now. Alright. Ah! I'm the win! I'm start! Come again.
Yeah. You get cheap man. So, that's where you come from. So, where you come in name exactly? Borden Hill. Oh, from down at the bottom come right up. Oh, that's the one where you can view from down there. So. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh, I'm not telling me about it. You got to tell me about it so me can go out there. Yeah. So, we give thanks, man. But boy, the water cool. Yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, man. Take care, yeah. And thanks for the info. Yeah, man.
The stuffing is cold, but after a while it just relax. That's something I'm definitely advise the people to come try out. Yeah, I've gone there for it. Yeah, I've gone there. It's called water bike here. So all who never know water bike this name. Right now, my head hurt me. So time to go home right now. That's okay.
What's up, you man?
Yo, man, I tell you, my head, my that tear off right now. You have my phone, babe? Cheshire Swag. Up there. Jeez, alright, on there, my boss. Alright, babe. Alright, come move for that spot here. Come. Alright. Yeah, come. Can't make no mistake now here, so watch out. Can't make no mistake. Yeah, you know, see no whole house. We have a look at the whole park like yeah, it's far still. It's far. Oh my god. I have a headache. Whoa, watch yourself, watch yourself.
cold. She like the jaw, shake till it dark, pain and made her hurt me, but it's a wear off. So I try to reach back up to the base of the car. Head down. I'm after 5 now. One after 5. Right, 2-5. So right now we need to get down to the beach. And it's a wicked journey to reach back down off of the hill.
Normally, how them always go into a place which are long, but when it comes back, it's always short. Whether you walk or drive and things. This journey, it come like it's twice as hard. It's twice as long, twice as hard going back.
Yeah, for real, man. Now watch it, how far we are walk, I wanna reach it. They say, you're good, my boss, you used to it. Alright, see it there? Part the dam. Yeah. You reach a part there? Alright. Oh. No. Oh God. That holy power. Cold water. Give me a wave now. Tell her like one big block. Cold water. Cheese and peas. I know some never realize some jawbone shakes so violently. Go to the park, yeah? Or walk around to the dam. Cheese, Jaja God, 1 more hour for each car. Father, I'm not even remember the part and another part where you talk. I told me I walk with the G, man, I move fast, you know, yeah. They come like say, I never ask to walk one. Yeah. We are off here now, say that bad. Yeah, for reach ya. Yeah. Alright, you see it, you say it now. Remember me not say it like that. I mean I say, yo, this look like it's a once in a while trip. Real man. I will miss the video shoot by an inch. Actually drive, not even we drive past Taros Riley and stop right beside him and never know say him. Well, you wouldn't know, I see him. I mean that say, oh, Taros Riley, I say, yeah. I never disbelieve in it, but I say, yeah. What do you so? But now he would tell me say, oh, music video. So I understand. Yeah. No, everybody up here got to talk about it. Cameras. Yes. You're here. Reach. Yeah, the rest of man there. Chacha God. No, sir. Thank God. Reaching boss. Chacha God. Right, go mash up myself. That me I say, that more come the brother. But the damn pump something like, Oh, water tank. Okay. Oh, okay. Can I show it kind of black off from this so? Oh, true. Round on the front, so. Oh, take the time and head go back, you know? Alright, respect for ya. Yeah, man, heart alone. I see it, what you say? What you say? You're so far back. Next week you come up here.
No. Next week, next year, them time. Yeah.
But say to my boss, next week, next 2 years, Cha-Cha Garden. Pretty close up, man. Yeah, and we have to take on some bad road, some small road, like them too.
No, but this is by far. Them
Yeah.
road,
Yeah, and it's far too.
Uh-huh. It's a church.
It's a church. Church of God prophecy.
I see that church up on the map.
So you tell me now, I'm going to church
Every day. What?
Alright, say you leave something. Say gosh, I forgot something. What do you do?
You have to turn back
What do you do?
or bike the next time.
When you can't go stand and turn back, shh, I see you.